Hello everybody, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is well. Well, we're here today because we're going to pick the winner of June's sock yarn giveaway. And just to show you, it is the Yarnable sock, which is straighten your crown, 3mm circular needle and some stitch markers. Let's go over to the computer and pick the winner. Okay, so this is the video that I need to take the URL, and I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to go across to random.org and put the link in. And I've already filtered, include replies to comments, filtered duplicate users, and the word we wanted was rose. It was interesting to read all your comments and then get comments. 133 of you. Thank you all so very much for commenting, and I really enjoyed reading them. Now let's go across to pick the winner. Good luck everybody. Susanna, and she puts, the first thing that came to mind was the Yellow Rose of Texas song from a long time ago. I have two beautiful rose bushes that are beautiful yellow. So I'm just going to stop you here and check that Susanna's a subscriber, and then I'll come back. So yes, Susanna definitely is a member of my channel, but she's also a member too. So congratulations, Susanna. I need you to email me here at this address with your postal address, and I will get the yarn sent out to you. Thank you to everybody who took part. There will be another sock yarn giveaway in July. Where's this year going, guys? And but congratulations to Susanna. Thank you all so very much for subscribing, for liking my videos, for leaving your comments, but also for all your support and your loyalty. So take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.